I began my career as an aerospace engineer, and I spent the early years of my career working on satellites. And so I worked on a variety of projects. I worked on the James Webb Space Telescope. I worked on the Earth Observing System satellite, and I worked on various other commercial satellites. And I worked on these projects. It was rewarding. It was fun. But one of the things with these projects is, you spend years working on something, and it could take 5 years, 10 years for the project to come to fruition, and for you to really see, the fruits of all the labor that you put in. I made a shift in 2003. I felt like I could really apply a lot of the skills that I had as an engineer, and I could apply that in medicine and in surgery, and especially in orthopedic surgery. I've been able to be a better surgeon when it comes to projects and surgeries like disc replacement surgery. In disc replacement surgery, you're removing, a mechanical section of the spine. You're replacing it with an artificial joint, an artificial bearing. And that mechanical nature of restoring form and function using mechanical devices, things developed by engineers, allow me to leverage these technologies to restore form, restore function, and restore motion. And I think my experience as an aerospace engineer has enabled me to leverage those technologies and those techniques to do some motion-preserving surgeries on hundreds of patients.